Fix in 5. Got a P0579? Let's break it down. What it is, why it happens, and how to fix it. Ignore it long enough and it gets expensive opinions about your wallet. First, the symptoms. Cruise control system inoperative or unresponsive, check engine light, cell, illuminated on dashboard. Loss of ability to set or cancel cruise control, intermittent cruise control engagement, disengagement. Now the most likely causes. Faulty cruise control switch assembly. Open or short circuit in switch wiring harness. Corroded or loose electrical connectors. Damaged steering wheel switch contact mechanism. PCM or cruise control module malfunction. How to fix it? Replace cruise control switch assembly, most common resolution. Repair or replace damaged wiring harness section. Clean or replace corroded electrical connectors. Reseat connectors firmly and apply electrical contact cleaner. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. What does it cost? Roughly €45 to €120 doing it yourself, or €105 to €180 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. People also ask, will P0579 cause my vehicle to fail an emissions test? Yes, an active P0579 fault code will typically cause your vehicle to fail an emissions or smog test, as it triggers the check engine light and indicates a monitored system failure. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis. Full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0579. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe. New fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.